Hi everyone, welcome to the series of my grammar classes. Today we are going to discuss active and passive voice part 2. So students, what is meant by active and passive voice? In grammar, voice is the form of a verb that shows whether the subject is the doer or performer of the action or the recipient of the action. If the subject is the doer, the verb is in the active form. If something happens to the subject, the verb is in the passive voice. Let's see an example now. The boy opened the door. When we are converting this sentence into passive voice, it will become the door was opened by the boy. Now let's discuss the general form of active voice. Active voice is subject plus verb plus object. When we are converting active into passive voice, the subject of the active voice will become the object of the passive voice, and the object of the active voice will become the subject of the passive voice. So the general form of passive voice is object of the active voice plus helping verb, that is auxiliary verb. Form of verb be, that is am, is, are, was, were, plus past participle of transitive verb, plus by plus subject. By plus subject is not compulsory. If required, you can write. Let's see an example, students. Someone cleaned the room. When we are converting this sentence into passive, the room was cleaned by someone. You can write the room was cleaned, otherwise you can write the room was cleaned by someone. Both are okay. Let's see how to convert active into passive voice in different tenses. Conversion of active to passive sentence. If the sentence is simple present tense, let's see how to convert active into passive voice. Example, he sings a song. When we are converting this sentence, he sings a song, into passive, it will become a song is sung by him. Likewise, the negative form of this sentence, he does not sing a song. When we are converting he does not sing a song into passive, it will become a song is not sung by him. Likewise, when we make it as a question, example, does he sing a song? When we are converting does he sing a song into passive, it will become is a song sung by him. Is a song sung by him. Let's see what happens in the case of simple past tense. I killed a snake. I killed a snake is an active voice. When we are converting this sentence into passive voice, it will become a snake was killed by me. I killed a snake. When we are converting this sentence into negative, it will become I did not kill a snake. I did not kill a snake. When we are converting this sentence into passive, it will become a snake was not killed by me. Did I kill a snake? When we are converting this sentence into passive voice, it will become was a snake killed by me. Let's move to simple future tense. Let's see an example now. She will buy a car. She will buy a car. When we are converting this particular sentence into passive, it will become a car will be bought by her. A car will be bought by her. She will not buy a car. A car will not be bought by her. Let's see the question now. Will she buy a car? Will a car be bought by her? Will she buy a car will become will a car be bought by her? Next one is present continuous tense. Students, see the example. I am writing a letter. When we are converting this sentence into passive, it will become a letter is being written by me. So, if ing comes in passive voice, it will become being, B-E-I-N-G. Please remember that. I am not writing a letter. A letter is not being written by me. A letter is not being written by me. Let's see a question now. Am I writing a letter? Is a letter being written by me? Am I writing a letter? Is a letter being written by me? Let's move to past continuous tense. He was driving a car. A car was being driven by him. A car was being driven by him. He was not driving a car. A car was not being driven by him. A car was not being driven by him. Was he driving a car? Was a car being driven by him? Was a car being driven by him? In the case of present perfect tense, what happens? Let's see. She has finished her work. Her work has been finished by her. She has not finished her work. Her work has not been finished by her. So let's see a question. Has she finished her work? Has her work been finished by her? Has her work been finished by her? Let's see past perfect tense. They had completed the assignment. The assignment had been completed by them. The assignment had been completed by them. They had not completed the assignment. The assignment had not been completed by them. Had they completed the assignment? Had the assignment been completed by them? Let's see future perfect tense now. You will have started the job. The job will have been started by you. You will have not started the job. The job will not have been started by you. Will you have started the job? Will the job have been started by you? Students, please do this exercise in your notebook and do it again and again. Practice like that so that you can become an expert in active and passive voice. Let's meet with at another new video. Thank you. Have a nice day.